Good morning. This is a 3-minute review on polynomials. Hopefully this will help everybody. Here we have a trinomial because we have 3 terms. Negative 4x to the 6th is one term, positive 2x is another term, and negative 1 is another term. The highest exponent is 6, so we have a degree of 6, and the leading coefficient is negative 4. Here we have a monomial, one term. We have a degree of 5 because the highest and only exponent is 5, and the leading coefficient is 3. The leading coefficient is the number before the variable with the highest exponent. This is a binomial with 2 terms. 3x to the 5th is one term. Negative 1/7 x to the 2nd is another term. This has a degree of 5, and it has a leading coefficient of 3. The degree is the highest exponent in the polynomial. Here we have a polynomial with 4 terms. Doesn't really have a name. It's not in standard form. So remember to keep the sign that's in front of the coefficient with the term. 4x to the 4th has the highest degree, so that goes first. Positive 2x cubed would go second. Negative 7x to the 1st would go third. And negative 5x to the 0 would go last. Now we have a polynomial with degree of 4 and a leading coefficient also of 4. Now we're going to multiply. This first question, we are multiplying 2 monomials. You can multiply in any order. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Keep the base, which is x, and add the exponents. So we get x to the 2 plus 4, which is x to the 6th. Here we multiply 2 by 5 and get 10. Add 3 and negative 2 to get 1. Add 2 to 1 and get 3. And just drop the 1 on that exponent because you don't need it, 10mn cubed. Here we are distributing. You have to multiply the monomial 6x to each term in the parentheses, which is a binomial. And then we FOIL. You multiply the first 2 terms, the outer 2 terms, the inner 2 terms, and then the last 2 terms. And you get x squared minus 2x plus 1x minus 2. You'll always get 4 terms when multiplying 2 binomials, but then they'll simplify, sometimes to 1 term, sometimes to 2 terms, sometimes to 3 terms. Here we have x squared minus x minus 2. This is a trinomial. It has a degree of 2, which means it's a quadratic, and a leading coefficient of 1.